Have you ever wondered what it's like to live on a boat? To sell everything you own, untie from the dock, and head for the horizon? That's exactly what we did. So climb aboard and come with us as we go seeking adventure.
We are almost 4 hours into our trip so far, and behind me is Andros Island, and directly on the other side is the Providence Channel. The Providence Channel creates a lot of waves. You can see on the map how the big ocean just feeds into the Providence Channel. So we decided to detour a little bit and go directly west toward Andros and then head north and just follow the coastline of Andros up to the cut. So far so good. It's always nice when things work out a little better than you expect.
Perfect. Stop right there. Right there. That's good.
Well, I'll admit that was nerve-wracking, as it always is. It's been a long time since I backed the boat in, and that clearly shows. But there are boats everywhere, and it is tight. So that doesn't mean that just because there's no wind and no tide that it's easy. Probably the most difficult thing you do as a boater is to dock it. So I'm glad that that's over. So now we're gonna take a break, and apparently there's pizza night tonight, so we look forward to that. Today is day 3 here in Great Harbour. We've had some wind, but the major storm that we're waiting for has not arrived yet. But it's been pretty windy and some rain on and off. But today it's supposed to be pretty decent. So we're planning to take our bikes and find a cave that we noticed on the map, and that we actually had some friends of ours mention that it's worth going to. It's only about 3 miles away. And we're leaving Captain Kaya on the boat because we are biking to make sure we get back in time before the rain starts again early afternoon. Are we halfway?
No, yeah, we're more than halfway from the marina. About halfway from where we kind of made that sweeping left turn on this road.
I think we're here. I think that mound over there looks like there could be a cave carved in on the other side, so let's go over and see. Did you get wet?
I got a little wet.
So that's too bad. So I guess
I mean, that's really, really too bad.
So
I say we climb up here though. Maybe we can see in from the top.
Okay. So I think the cave is down there and not where we thought it was originally. In which case we're gonna go down and we're gonna try to wade through that water. So I guess we can say that we are officially cavemen now.
I'm a caveman.
I'm a cave woman.
Cave woman.
Standing in the cave. We found it, so that's cool. This is pretty cool. There's really not much here, but it's a cool big cave. And yeah, I would recommend it. Would you?
Absolutely.
Want to go for a walk down?
We just got back from a walk. It didn't work out so well.
We got a little wet, didn't we?
We got a little wet. It looked sunny when we walked out there. Within 5 minutes, we were in a downpour.
What do you think the wind gusts are?
About 30 knots, which is about what's predicted. So not too bad as long as everybody tied the boat right. We're a little concerned about the boat next to us. It's only got one bow line. It's not a real thick line, and it's kind of a short line. It's just a recipe for disaster.
The storm that just passed was our first official gale with sustained winds of over 34 knots. No big deal though. Great Harbour Cay Marina in the Berry Islands is one of the best hurricane holes in the Bahamas. Bullocks Harbor is the main town, and today we're there on a mission. So our week here at Great Harbour might be coming to an end today. We have been here for 1 week tomorrow and accomplished exactly what we had hoped to do. We stayed here and waited for that really bad weather to be over, which it is. Still a little bit of wind right now, but it's all from the east and so are the waves. So what we're planning on doing today is to leave here and anchor right outside the harbors, because we will be leaving at 4 a.m. tomorrow morning and we don't want to leave here in the dark. So to prepare for that, we hurried on to the grocery store with everybody else in the marina, because the boat, the supply boat that comes from Florida with groceries was also delayed. So we heard rumors that it was in yesterday afternoon, and sure enough, we got avocados, which is so exciting, bananas, we have chips, and ta-da, more eggs. So we are happy campers right now. We are just gonna prepare, and if everything goes as planned, that's what we're gonna be doing. So yeah, all good.
Wow, look at that. That looks good.
We should have some fruits with our breakfast, but I chose a cookie.